Right, I'm going to show you how to safely hand launch and hand catch your DJI first person view. Now you see lots of people do stupid things like they grab it underneath, any DJI drone, any drone for that matter, they grab it underneath, it's very dangerous, it can flip, it can do all sorts of weird stuff. Then you get other people, quite experienced people, who will take it down and land on their hand. Again, you've got no control over the wind. There's a danger of landing and taking off that it twists when you pull the stick back to drop the motors down. And if you go slightly left or right, it's going to twist and it's going to do you some damage. Always wear glasses, always wear hats, and a long sleeve, buttoned up, and you should be right. Now I'm going to show you how to begin. Don't do it straight away. Do not. Get hold of it and play with it. Get it balanced in your hand. Now this is what you want. You want your back finger at the back of the battery. That's almost on the corner. Your thumb is under the armpit, the right back armpit as you see it. And the third finger, not the Lindsay one, the third finger under the arm there. And the left one, the little pinky just to support it. Now you got to, if you put your hand out natural like that, not twisting it, just ergonomically, you got to put your hand out like that. You want that drone to land like that. So the front bit here lands on the palm of your hand. When you've got it and you practice with it, you get the weight right, because it's going to take off and do weird stuff. Don't, by the way, take off gently. If you take off gently, hand-holding it, it will flip back or flip forward. It likes aggression. It likes aggressive takeoffs. So when I pull the sticks in, pull them in to start the motors, and you can hear it. Don't take off yet. Play with it. Feel its weight. Feel how it responds. You can feel it. You've got to play with it quite a long time. I've not got a hat on, but I should have. I'm doing it so you can see me. I've done it lots of times. It's all DJI drones. Pull the stick back. When you take off, that's fine. When you land, it's a different matter. Bring it down in front, put your hand out as normal, about lower chest height, where it's comfortable, where it's normal. You're not stretching anywhere, you're not stretching up or down or side or around. And you want to get that drone to get that position there, and you're going to slide your hand so that the downward sensors don't recognize your hand. You see? I've got that on the palm of my hand there. I've got the finger at the back. I've got the thumb under the wing, just a bit on the battery actually. Actually, that's better explained with the battery. Under its wing, but on the battery itself. Don't grab it. If you grab it, you're asking for disaster. Gently. Do it gently. Gentle is safety. No hand launch or hand takeoff is safe. It's just not. But look at my surroundings here. I mean, I'm on rocks. You know, I'm on rocks and sand and beach and stuff. And it's hard to find a place to, now I'm going to get the bloody camera wrong. To find a place I can safely take off from. I'm going to edit this damn thing. Or maybe not, we'll see. There we go, that'll do. I'll move back a bit. So, we're going to take off first and then we're going to land. So, pull the sticks back. Have a lanyard on your goggles. You can't fly with these without a spotter. You can fly with your phone actually. I've flown with my phone. It's not brilliant, but you know, better than nothing. And have a lanyard on this as well, so you've got hands free. So, we're going to pull the sticks in. Still a natural position. Feel it, wait, test it. Get the stick ready. Get the revs up and push. Brilliant. Now we'll bring it down. Lower kip rib cage height. Facing your left shoulder if you're all the way around. And you're going to slide your hand underneath it. Grab the battery with the back of your first finger. First finger there, right finger, right thumb, second finger there, middle finger for a bit of support, resting on your app, on your here. You got to practice a lot without the motors. then with the motors without taking off or landing. Safety first. But you know, it's up to you. I mean, everyone's going to do it anyway. Lots of people are going to try it. So if you're going to do it safely. That is the safest way of landing or taking off any Mavic drone, except for the Phantoms. Grab its leg. But all the other drones, you do the same. I've got some videos. I'll put some links to the Mavic Mini, the Mavic Pro, Mavic 2 Pro, and it's the same thing. The same principle. They are designed. When you slide your hand underneath, the sensors will not detect your hand. If you try to grab it like that, it will sensor your hand and take it away. I think DJI, I'm absolutely convinced, DJI designed it that way so you can catch it in that safe manner. So let's take off again. One more time. Again, the grip. Get the grip right every time. Finger, thumb, second finger, third finger, little finger. But you're holding it like a baby. You're holding it gently, no grabbing, no. And then you're going to pull the sticks back, get the engine warmed up, the motor's going, and you're going to push it up, steady. And when it comes down, it's got no forward sensors, you can keep going, it will go. Lower it down, not like other drones where it stops, it will just keep going, so be careful. Get it in normal mode. So your hand's underneath it, you're going to slide it, right, like tickling a trout, someone once told me. You can even raise it, or leave it until the motors die down. You can turn it round, don't do that. These blades are vicious. They will rip you, they will hurt, won't kill you, but they'll hurt you. Well, you can get it going towards you at 100 kilometers an hour, whack you on the head, you won't know, you won't live another day. Anyway, let's do some flying, let's take it up again. Forward stick, push the forward, oh see I move? You've got to get that, get it docile, play with it. See? Unlike some other DJI drones, it won't stop. Motors on the other ones, and I think the software is going to be developed so that if you hold it long enough, it's got no pressure, no reason to go. So it's just going to sit there and motor. I'm not going to turn it over. Don't turn it over. Don't! No, don't turn it over. Off we go. Ah, beautiful. What an incredible drone. What an incredible drone. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Isn't that gorgeous? What a drone. Put it in sports mode and shoot off. Look at that go. Look at that bloody thing go. Yeah. Well, it's gone. I can still see it. And how far is it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, probably about 700 meters. Oh shit, 200. What happened there? Oh, I must have moved one of the sticks. Anyway, that's how to safely take off and land your DJI. Oh, it's rising. Why is it rising? Oh, it's coming home. I don't know why it's coming home. Maybe I'll press the home button. Old man. Take care, be safe, enjoy.